Hi, my name's George Argo of Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And today, I'd like to talk to you about how to coil your electrical wires. Now, what this really is talking about is bend radius. Now, the National Electrical Code gives us as electricians a certain amount that they will accept. The reason that they do this is because if your bend radius is too sharp on your electrical wires, it can cause a breakdown in the wire eventually. The more that this wire heats up, it expands, it contracts, it expands, it contracts over time. If you've got a real sharp pinch, especially in a solid wire, but even in a stranded wire also, eventually that's where that wire will break down and eventually burn in two. You would never want to go more than about a 75 or an 80 degree bend in your wire. You want to leave yourself enough so it'll be nice and fresh. Another little trick as electricians that we use is you can, when you're installing a wire, you can take your screwdriver and actually straighten your wire, and then that'll help you to work with it easier. Once again, my name's George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And you just watched how to coil your electrical wires.